Hey, this is Phil with heavy-dutycaster.com. I want to show you another one of our most popular swivel and rigid casters that we sell to a lot of fabricators and production facilities, warehouses for using a good ergonomic caster. This in particular is a 5" by 2" polyurethane swivel caster. And the wheel is a slightly crowned tread polyurethane on polyolefin core. The really nice thing about this wheel is it has oversized annular ball bearings, so it's a very easy rolling wheel and makes for a great ergonomic style caster. The other features of this caster, we have a Zerk fitting in the axle, so you can shoot grease into the bearings of the wheel, and then also you have a Zerk fitting on the swivel raceway. This is a 4 by 4.5 top plate with a 3 by 3" bolt hole spacing center to center, 6.5" overall height on the 5 by 2 caster, and we also have this in the rigid version. And this caster will hold up well in chemicals, and the wheels are non-marking, so they're really good for a lot of applications. Very ergonomic, very easy rolling. This rigid caster runs about $24 each, and the swivel about $25. So it's a very good price for the quality caster here. If you have any questions, just give us a call or check it out, heavy-dutycaster.com.